That Joe DiMaggio 101 is going to be hard to beat there.
How much are these? Did somebody already pull that out of here?
He pulled a Joe DiMaggio 101 when I was standing here.
Wow.
Yeah, pull that box there, 303.
He has a Chipper Jones autograph over there too.
That on the move behind you.
Good.
Look over your shoulder.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Very cool.
Just getting to focus in here. Josh Johnson. Cy Young at a 625. Ryan Braun. Clayton Kershaw. Prince Fielder. Pablo Sandoval. It's numbered out of 75.
Nothing wrong with a panda.
Oh, here's a Derek Jeter. It's not going to be an autograph though. Still a nice looking card though at a 27. The captain.
So many pieces you got to that. I didn't see the relic. Oh, it spells out the captain?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Looks like just one piece of jersey in there. Still, Derek Jeter's good. Good hit. Not thick enough to be a book. Did you hit any booklets in yours?
One.
You did. Andre Dawson at a 249. Carl Crawford. I'll have to leave that here for Drew. Phoebe Reese. Tony Gwynn. Pujols. Austin Jackson. On card auto. Numbered out to 99. Still a lot thicker. And Evan Longoria at a 36.
So
Not too bad.